Looking for how to do this video effect using your phone? Then this video is for you. Open up your CapCut, tap on New Project, upload the video of you scrolling on your phone. For this video, I'm going to cut the excess and go to the back of the video and remove the one that I did not need. The beginning of me scrolling and the ending where I finish talking. I'm going to cut the excess. Go ahead and tap on overlay, then upload the video of your screen when you were scrolling. Make sure the overlay video is clicked, then look for edit and click on crop. You might choose to crop and not crop, but for me I want to crop the video so that I cut off the name of the page and stuff. So I'm cropping the video to my own taste. You can choose to do it anyhow you want it, but I'm cropping my own video. After cropping the video, adjust it and make it to be small to the size of your phone, the phone you are using. Make it to be small to fit in. Make sure it's aligned with the edge of your phone. Once you are done with the alignment, move the video a bit to the side because you want to max it with the underneath video. Scroll to max and click on max. Tap on split, then adjust it, bring it down a little bit, and then the arrow down, the white arrow is used to fade the edge of the video. So just make sure you fade it. Once you draw the long arrow, the long line, then drag the white arrow a little bit to make sure that the edge is faded. Adjust that and make sure the edge is faded, and then you tap on OK. You tap on check arrow. Drag the video back to where the phone is and resize it to make sure the video is fitted to the screen and the lower part is blending with the screen. So that way when you are scrolling, it's not going to be obvious that you put something as an overlay, just the way you are seeing it in my video. After doing that, you want to make sure the overlay video is aligning with your scrolling. You can see at a point when I was scrolling, my hand is moving faster than the video, the overlay video. So that is what I'm going to adjust now. Just watch closely. For this, you can either use keyframe or you can be cutting the video along. But for this video, I'm just cutting the video. I'm not using keyframe to adjust the speed. So the next thing I want to do is to change my video background. You can choose to change the video background or not, but I'm just giving you this as a tip. Scroll to where you have cutout, tap on the cutout and turn on the cutout, as you can see. Then wait for the cutout to process. It's on 15%. You can see the background of the video is gone. The next thing you want to do is tap on canvas, click on background, then tap on that plus. Then you go to your folder and choose any background that you've downloaded that you want. For me, I already have this background downloaded, and I blurred the background because it was brighter than this. So I blurred the background to fit in with the cloth I'm wearing and my environment. So I uploaded the background, and that is it you're seeing on the screen. Then once you are done, adjust the video to fit into the background, and I like to export in 4K. Set it to where however you want it, then tap on export. If you find this video helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel.